They thought you would stay broken. They thought you would keep replaying their absence like a sad song that never ends. They believed they could hurt you, walk away, and you would spend the rest of your days proving you were worthy of their love. But the truth is, the moment they decided you weren't enough was the moment you were set free. Free to become someone they could never forget, because nothing haunts a person more than the one who rose without their approval, who healed without their apology, who glowed without their validation. You don't become unforgettable by begging. You don't become unforgettable by chasing. You become unforgettable when you stop letting their silence define your worth. You become unforgettable when you rebuild yourself piece by piece, when you stop explaining your heart to someone committed to misunderstanding it, when you choose to take all the energy you used to spend worrying about them and pour it back into yourself, into your dreams, your passions, your health, your peace. When you learn to sit in your own company and feel whole again. That's when the tables turn. Because people who thrive on control expect you to stay in pain. They expect you to need them to feel important. The most powerful revenge is not revenge at all. It's becoming so rooted in your own life that their presence or absence no longer holds power over you. And let me tell you this, it's inevitable that one day they will think about you in the quiet of their own emptiness. They will remember the way you loved them, the way you tried, the way you never gave up until you had no choice but to let go. And it will sting, because when someone loses a person who was real, who was loyal, who was willing to walk through fire with them, they spend the rest of their life comparing everyone else to you. You become the memory that interrupts their peace, because no one else will love them the way you did. No one else will offer them the same depth and sincerity. No one else will forgive them as many times as you did. But you won't be waiting for that moment, because by then, you will be too busy living your life, too busy growing, laughing, creating, too busy surrounding yourself with people who see you fully and never make you question your worth. You will become unforgettable because you will stop shrinking to make them comfortable. You will stop editing yourself to be more palatable. You will stop begging for scraps of affection. You were never too much. You were just too much for someone who was never ready to match your capacity. And the day you accept that, true power doesn't need to prove anything. True power is simply knowing you were always enough and living like it every single day. And when you become that version of yourself, you will be the one they never stop thinking about. Not because you stayed broken, but because you became everything they were too small to appreciate. And that, my love, is how you become unforgettable.